In this video, I'll show you how to change text case in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. First, what does text case mean? Text case controls whether letters appear as capital letters, small letters, or a mixture of both. The easiest way to change text case is using the Change Case button. To do this, we need to first select the text you want to change, then go to the font group underneath Home, and we're going to look for the capital A and small a. This is Change Case. I'm now going to select on the downward arrow. Here we've got Sentence Case, which provides a capital letter and full stop. And then if we go back, we've got Lowercase, which changes all the letters to lowercase, Uppercase, Capitalise each word, and Toggle Case. If you're looking for a quicker way to cycle through each of these options, there is a keybind that you can use. First, let's select our text, then hold down Shift on your keyboard and press F3. This changes to Capitalise, this changes to lowercase, Sentence Case, and then back to Capitalise, lowercase, and Sentence Case. If this doesn't work for you, this may be because you're on a laptop. In that case, press FN, Shift, F3. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn other formatting tips and tricks, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.